What's that sound? Whining, whining all round and long sad voice, loud and slow. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Don't whine like that. Use a nice voice. Try this chat. Yes, yes, yes. Soft and clear. Happy words we love to hear. I want candy. Said all day in a groany moan. Let's try again. Nice and sweet. Can I have a treat to eat? Mommy smiles. That was great. Nice voice helps. Just you wait.